fuck. Alright, well, let's go ahead and roll the bike back in there first. Not even going to plug it in, there's no point. It's fully charged and I got to work on it again. What I should do is take my tubes in the house with me and recharge my pump and then pump them up and see where the holes are, because I could take my patch kits in there too and get high off the cement. Just kidding, because it's not very well ventilated in there, is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, awesome. Okay, let's put away right now. I thought I was going to feel a lot worse doing this today because I wasn't feeling particularly awesome when I woke up today, but I'm good. So if you're having like really bad stomach issues and you can't seem to get anything to work, it's a lot of reflux and heartburn and shit like that, try Gaviscon. I highly recommend Gaviscon. I don't feel 100%, but I feel a heck of a lot more percent than I used to. So and I'm glad I caught that issue with the front tube and tire while I was at home, because that would have sucked trying to fix that shit out in the middle of nowhere. Which, according to Fox News, is where San Bernardino is, because they think we're like a fucking rural town, and we're one of the biggest cities in the damn country. But Fox News does not know that. That's why you shouldn't watch Fox News, because they don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Anyways. I don't even like watching programs on Fox anymore. They have a lot of good programs. Funny thing about Fox is they have all these programs with all this inclusivity and shit in them, but then their news broadcasting business is racist and misogynistic and anti this and anti that. Anywho, well, thank you for sitting through all this with me. If you make it for the whole video, that's why I tried to talk the whole time, to be entertaining and say weird shit and keep you guessing about my mental stability. Because, like, what's life worth if you don't have to guess a lot? Anyways, that was it. I'm going to go inside the house now. You don't need to see the inside of my house. It's not that special. It's just covered in animal fur. Remember, it'd be awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on those post notifications. I appreciate all my viewers, all my new subscribers. Welcome, all my old subscribers. Thank you for hanging in there with my trials and tribulations and mini constipations. Anyways, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next whatever I intend to do, which is most likely going to be fixing the front tire. Okay, bye.